Matrix. Any rectangular array of numbers enclosed between brackets is called matrix. Now you see here, this is a matrix. These are called rows, and this way if you take, these are called columns. In this there are m rows and n columns. So we say this is a matrix of order m by n. If there are 3 rows and 4 columns, we say the order of the matrix is 3 by 4. Now there are different types of matrices. First one is a row matrix. A row matrix means it has only one row. For example, A, look at this matrix, A, 1, 3, minus 5. So how many rows are there? Only one row. But how many columns? 1, 2, 3. So the order of the matrix is 1 by 3. Next, column matrix. Column matrix means it has only one column. So look at this matrix A. This is the only column. But how many rows can be there? There can be any number of rows. In this there are 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. So we always write rows first and then column. So this is the order of this matrix is 3 by 1. Next, zero or null matrix. Zero or null matrix means a matrix whose all elements are 0. So in this matrix, this is also called zero matrix, 0, 0, 0, 0. All elements are 0, and what is the order? 2 by 2. Square matrix. A square matrix is a matrix in which number of rows are same as number of columns. So look at this A. How many rows? 3 rows and 3 columns. So what is the order of this matrix? The order of this matrix is 3 by 3. It is a square matrix. It can be of order 2 by 2, 4 by 4, m by m. Number of rows should be same as number of columns. Next is diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix is a square matrix in which all elements are 0 except the diagonal elements. So which are the diagonal elements here? These are called the diagonal elements. These 8, 1, 3. These are zeros are not included. Sorry, it should be like this: 8, 1, and 3. So these are diagonal elements. And I'll write one more example. See, suppose B is 5, 8, 2, 7. So which are the diagonal elements? 2 and 5 and 7. Sorry, these are diagonal elements. Thank you. Scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix whose diagonal elements are all equal is called a scalar matrix. Now look at this example A. It has to be a square matrix. What is the order? 3 by 3. Then look at the diagonal elements. These are diagonal elements. All diagonal elements are same. So it is a scalar matrix. Identity matrix. In a scalar matrix, if all the diagonal elements are equal to 1, then it becomes identity matrix. Next is upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix, look at in this case, I'll show you. Select a brush. This 8, 7, 3. 8, 7 and 3, these are the diagonal elements, principal diagonal elements. In upper triangular matrix, if all the elements above the principal diagonal elements are non-zero, are not all equal to 0, then it is an upper triangular matrix. In a lower triangular matrix, all the elements below the principal diagonal are not 0. All are not 0. Then it is lower triangular matrix.